This 2024 Eclipse Attitude Wide Lite 28 IBG is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Albuquerque, New Mexico 87123 and is offered for sale by Good Sense RV and Motors. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Eclipse is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8 and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.